Hey YouTube, so today we're going asset shopping. I'm going to show you how I closed on 2 properties within 15 minutes. Stay tuned. I'm outside of Clear Title Group, headed in to close on 2 properties. This area here I'm covering out, that's my personal information. That's the property I just purchased. That's the price that I agreed on, was $10,500. The extra monies altogether, line 120 is what it all came up to. I already paid $1,000. My remaining balance is $11,722.90. And this is how much money go to the seller. To the seller, the person that I'm actually buying the house from, instead of the realtor and everybody else. Again, I'm not gonna show you this address, but this is another house that I'm purchasing. And again, I agreed on $12,500. It came up to $14,500. I already paid $1,000, which is the earnest money deposit, to show the person that I'm actually serious about the deal. That all goes towards your closing, which I owe now. You see that already? Line 220. Total paid for by borrower, $1,000. Now 303 is exactly what I owe right now. I'm heading into them right now. Close the deal.
Back to Larry, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Finish her up. Ready. So we're gonna do Hartford first, only because it's here.
Okay.
So I just wanna get the right check here. This one we need 13.5. We need this one. Good. Okay, now this one is Register Street. And again, this one also, this is a copy of the deed. That's right. These are just house docs. Okay, I'm going to make copies now, and you gave me the 2 checks for here. Again, this is your settlement sheet here. The deed you have here, and then these are all the other documents that you signed. And then if you keep going, we'll get you a red folder, and a yellow folder, and a green, and have every color here.
I actually got another one I'm selling right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't plan on selling them. I want to keep all of them actually now.
Okay. Well, I'm glad we've met. If it's ever a problem for you to come for your buyer stuff, you can email. I just need your check, and you can either mail it, drop it off, whatever, wire it. But for the first time, it was important that we see each other. Can I say hi? All right.
Hey.
I'm LL, and this is DD. So anyway, congratulations, and your job now is to get these things fixed up and rented and get some money out of this.
And you should be probably seeing him as well when it's time for you to close on a house.
Well, you're going to send me pictures before and after.
Yep, correct.
You can go to any bank, show them that. You show them any realtor. This is what you're capable of doing.
And they're willing to lend to you. All right, so
next
video. Leaving Clear Title Group. Just closed on 2 properties. If you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment below.